Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix Netflix not working on iPhone after latest iOS update. If the Netflix is not working on your iPhone, you can try some troubleshooting step to resolve the issue. Our step number 1 is check internet connection. Ensure that your iPhone has a stable and active internet connection. Open other apps or websites to confirm that your internet connection is working properly. After checking the internet connection, then you have to do is update the Netflix app. Make sure you have the latest version of the Netflix app installed on your iPhone. You have to open the App Store and search here Netflix, tap on it, tap on the Netflix, and if you see any indicator like update, simply tap on it and consider updating the Netflix to its latest version. After updating, then you have to do is update your iOS version. Ensure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. You have to open the app settings, then tap on the general, tap on software update and check if there is an available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. Like I am having an update of 17.2.1. All I have to do is simply tap on update now or I can update it tonight. After updating the iOS version, then you have to do is check your date and time settings. Ensure that the date and time settings on your iPhone are configured correctly. You have to go to the settings, go to general, tap on date and time. After this, then you have to do is make sure that the settings are set to automatically. So guys, after trying these all steps and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is simply reset your network settings. If the issue persists, you can try setting your network settings. This will reset your Wi-Fi passwords and other network related settings. So you have to simply scroll down and tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and fix the issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.